More fun in Tokyo, as it should be. Getting somewhere. It's I wouldn't say efficient. We should get a point card. We should have got a point card at the beginning of the trip. Alright, we're in our room at the Hyatt Regency. We're gonna go and do a quick room tour and enjoy the day. So we have the entryway with the light switch. Everything is controlled there. 2 robes with an area for your luggage. Storage is hard to come by. We also have some tea, coffee, and bottled water for free. I should tell everyone that. And then we have a TV and the king size bed. Cute little seating area here. We have controls as well. Bathroom with a stunning toilet. A sink, shower. Razor. Toothbrush. Cotton set and a shower cap. It's nice. All right, we're gonna relax a bit and then head out. Good morning. Oh, is it even morning anymore? No, it's 2 p.m. Good afternoon, because it's not morning. We are at the Hyatt Regency, Tokyo in Shinjuku, because we were supposed to go to Hakone today. We were scheduled to ride the train, go to Hakone, and stay in a ryokan for 2 nights. Last night, we found out that our hotel reservation got canceled because they had a norovirus outbreak in the hotel or in the ryokan, and so they had to cancel all reservations. So at 2 a.m. in the morning, we found this out and we're scrambling to find another place. The site that we booked through, Agoda, was going to offer us rebooking or refund us and then additional credit to book on their site or have their staff support us in finding a new reservation in Hakone. But because of the norovirus and how serious it sounds, we decided to opt out of Hakone altogether and find another place either here in Tokyo or in Kyoto where we'll be heading. Since it's 2 nights, it actually wasn't too hard to find options, but we really were trying to see if Chase, which was the card that was booked with, that we used to book with, could offer us any support because things are expensive, especially when you're trying to find a hotel for later in that day. So we were lucky enough to find the Hyatt Regency, which is where we're at now. We're actually all staying in these rooms here. So it ended up working out. It's within our budget, and we were able to book this pretty quickly. The whole fiasco, I think we ended up sleeping at like 4:30. But just grateful to have a place to stay that's nice, and you really can't go wrong with Hyatt. The property is huge. Never stayed in this Hyatt before. I'm usually never staying in Shinjuku, but this should be a nice change of pace. They are doing a good amount of renovations here, so if you are looking to stay in Tokyo, Hyatt Regency, just be aware of that, because we probably were able to book these rooms since they are renovating and not many people would want to stay here, but it seems like all of the renovations are going on downstairs. I'm not complaining. The rooms are really nice. We're on the 25th floor and I haven't really heard any sounds aside from us. But yeah, we'll see what's around here. We are looking to go to the konbini after this, but yeah, just gonna relax for, I guess, a few more minutes before everyone wants to go and explore. Probably get some food other than konbini food and drink because we've gone through a lot, to say the least. But yeah, just super happy, grateful. We have a place that's accommodating, and yeah, we'll just continue on. I think everyone wants to keep shopping, and like now we have 2 extra days of Tokyo to do whatever we want, maybe the things that we never got a chance to do within our first like set of days in our itinerary. So we're gonna make the most of it, and we'll bring you along with us. More fun in Tokyo, as it should be. We're hungry again, so we're having more food at McDonald's.
America.
Well, I think this is the
Tell me what you ordered.
Ebi sando and churro.
Episode of the Is This Metal?
Sure is.
Yes, she is.
Yeah.
Hi. I know potato. Let's have the first bite. Little mushy.
Good.
What are we thinking? Thumbs up. I'm gonna have some paper with shaka chicken. Yo.
You good? I get it.
Oh yeah. I get what you mean. Not spicy enough. So you shook that one?
I did. I didn't put the whole packet
Okay, try one.
Makes sense.
Okay, so
I would.
just really just
What's going on? Hey, English.
Getting glasses at JINS today. Let's get it. We're in Shibuya. Lots of different styles and size. Starting off with the heavy hitters already. Okay. at once. Cook it. Baked salmon.
You want to be in my video?
I just need some room.
Stress you out?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just
Ooh, so soft. What is that?
matcha.
Matcha is so good.
Could be the best bite we're ever gonna have, so have to film it. Okay, go, go, go.
That one's good. Yeah, what would you rate this place?
9.
This is the second best sushi spot I've been to on this trip. 9 as well. The fact that it's like, I'll order online. On this episode of Is This Metal? They've been doing this the whole time.
Shot.
Aqua latte with double espresso. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Big latte.
Thank you. Cheers. On this episode of Visit Metal. Oh, she's metal. Cheers. I have to mix mine.
I honestly like the black coffee.
Yeah, I figured. They gave us a sample of black coffee and it was so yummy. Okay, beet latte. No sugar, but somehow it's really sweet. We'll be back for more.